The Supreme Court is moving into its busy season with two major end-of-the-term decisions and several more on the way. The justices ruled unanimously yesterday that Philadelphia's foster care program cannot exclude a Catholic agency that does not allow same-sex couples to take in children. The court also rejected the latest challenge to Obamacare, ruling 7-2 that a group of states and two individuals supported by the Trump administration had no legal standing to challenge the health care law. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court following it all. Jan, these are two big rulings.
Big rulings, and really these were the first controversial cases that have been taken up by this newly conservative court with, of course, those three new justices appointed by former President Trump. And I got to say, what was most surprising, there was so much agreement.
We are done.
Ever since former President Obama signed the Affordable Care Act, the law has been the center of a political shouting match.
Fight, fight, healthcare is a human right. Repeal and replace Obamacare. You have to do it.
Conservatives have now taken 3 cases to the Supreme Court, arguing the law should be thrown out.
For millions of Americans, this is very good news.
On Thursday, the third case failed.
The ACA is here to stay.
The decision found 4 conservative justices siding with their 3 more liberal colleagues, including Amy Coney Barrett, who was attacked by Democrats as a staunch opponent of the law during her confirmation.
Hard to think of another way of bringing down the ACA.
Jeffrey Rosen, president of the National Constitution Center, said Obamacare's opponents may be out of legal options.
There have been a lot of legal theories already rejected in the courts, and there's likely not to be another swing at this particular bat.
A second decision also featured surprising agreement. All 9 justices ruled unanimously that the city of Philadelphia was wrong to end its contract with the Catholic foster care agency because it refused to work with same-sex couples.
The battle over the balance between LGBTQ rights and religious liberty will continue. The court avoided the big question.
Rosen says the real takeaway from these rulings is more fundamental.
Justices from Stephen Breyer to John Roberts have said they don't want America to perceive the court as political. And in these cases, they proved that they meant it by achieving unanimity.
But next year, this court is going to tackle some of the most divisive and contentious issues in our society. They've got a case on abortion rights, gun rights, possibly affirmative action. And it's also unclear if this Supreme Court is even going to look the same. Progressives are urging liberal Justice Stephen Breyer, who's 82 years old, to retire, while Democrats still control the Senate. His replacement would almost certainly be more liberal. Anthony?
All right, Jan Crawford at the Supreme Court. Jan, thank you.